Welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2-step. In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to delete a group on Signal Private Messenger. If this is something that you want to learn today, then make sure you watch this video until the end. And before I move on to the video, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notifications so you are updated for any of our upcoming videos. So let's head over to Signal app and then open up the group that you want to delete. Now there is no direct option of deleting a group. Similar to Messenger, you need to remove every person from the group and leave the group for yourself as well to successfully delete a group. So tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on group settings. From here you'd be able to view all of the members that are in this group. So first of all, what you need to do is tap on each and every one of them, and here you'll have an option of remove from group. Now this option is only available if you are the group admin. If you are not the admin of the group, you won't be able to remove anyone from the group. So if you are the admin, remove every member from this group, and once you remove everyone from this group, the last thing you'll need to do is tap on leave group, and this group will be successfully deleted. Like I earlier said, there is no separate button called deleting the group. You'll need to do this process in order to delete a group on Signal. So that's the exact video on how to delete a group on Signal Private Messenger. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.